How to turn on or turn off mobile data roaming on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on connections. After that, go down and tap on mobile networks. At the top here, tap on data roaming. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Here, once you turn on, you can use mobile data while roaming, may result in additional charges. So if you are going overseas and you don't really need to use mobile data, make sure this is turned off so that you don't result in a huge phone bill. When you turn off mobile networks and you are going overseas, you can always use Wi-Fi in that area. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.